Hey there, fellow health enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we share valuable tips and tricks for maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss that can greatly impact your well-being: the low cholesterol diet. Before we dive into the specifics, let's take a moment to understand what cholesterol is and why it's essential to keep it in check. Cholesterol is a waxy substance found in our bodies and certain foods. While our bodies need it to function properly, too much cholesterol can be harmful and increase the risk of heart disease. That's where the low cholesterol diet comes in. By making conscious choices about the foods we eat, we can maintain healthy cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart-related issues. Let's explore some of the fantastic benefits of adopting a low cholesterol diet. 1. Lowering bad cholesterol levels. A low cholesterol diet helps reduce LDL cholesterol, the bad cholesterol that can clog our arteries and lead to heart problems. 2. Supporting heart health. By cutting back on foods high in saturated and trans fats, we promote a healthier heart and improve overall cardiovascular function. 3. Increasing good cholesterol. A low cholesterol diet encourages the production of HDL cholesterol, the good cholesterol that helps remove harmful LDL cholesterol from our bodies. 4. Promoting weight management. Many foods that are low in cholesterol are also nutrient-dense and can help us maintain a healthy weight. 5. Enhancing overall well-being. By focusing on fresh fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins, we nourish our bodies with essential nutrients and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Impressive, isn't it? Now, if you're interested in diving deeper into the low cholesterol diet and discovering more helpful tips and delicious recipes, I highly recommend visiting our dedicated section on our website. We've curated a wealth of articles, videos, and resources to guide you on your journey to a heart-healthy lifestyle. While you're there, don't forget to check out our comprehensive book on the low cholesterol diet. It's a valuable resource packed with expert advice, meal plans, and tasty recipes to support your cholesterol management goals. You'll find the link to our book right on our website. Before we wrap up, I want to extend a special invitation to all of you. By signing up for our newsletter, you'll receive regular updates on our latest content, recent publications, and exclusive offers. Stay in the loop and never miss out on valuable information to enhance your well-being. Thank you all for joining me today on this journey to understanding the low cholesterol diet. Remember, by making simple yet powerful choices in our daily lives, we can achieve optimal health and vitality. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Until next time, take care and be well.